Okay, so it's been kind of crappy weather. As you can see, I'm in my sweatshirt. Went from 90 to 60 in a hurry. And the other day I was, somebody's emailing me. The other day I talked to a guy, Travis Eby, and he was saying that his seat was not functioning on his I think that's a 720 row crop deal, and I said, you know what, I need to buy those things too for my 720 and my 730. So here they are. These are the seat bushings for the Float-O-Matic. I believe that's what they're called, Float-O-Matic seat bushings. And so Tim's going to go get the 720 and bring it on over here, and we're going to fix the Float-O-Matic. Right, Tim? All right, go ahead and go get that, and we'll back that right up in here, and then we'll fix that seat, because I got Float-O-Matic springs, and I was able to find the new, they're not new, but the new tappets and rocker arm assembly for the main H, because the main H needs to get started up and run. And the rocker arm assembly, the tappets and everything were bad. They had been left in, I don't know, they got wet. They got wet before I was, and they're pitted pretty severely, so I decided I'd just buy a new set. I found a set, so that's what that is. And I also have a new exhaust pipe for that. So it's two-cylinder action until I'm able to make hay again. So he'll get that thing started As you can see, Timothy is really low slung in the seat, so those bushings are right here, in behind here, and I think they're going to suck to get that out of there, but I'm not sure. So Timothy's going to pop this. You got to pop that seat off. I don't know that that all comes out. I don't know. No, I didn't realize that that's where they the plug was for that thing. Yeah, it's like a plug, an electric outlet. So somehow these things have to come out of there. What did you do?
There's pins here.
Where? There's pins to take that off with?
Yeah.
Where?
What's this?
That's to loosen and tighten it and loosen it for your weight. It tells you how heavy you are. What do you mean pin?
You see these pins, right?
No.
That shock would have to come off, though.
What shock? Up front?
Yeah.
I don't know. This thing slides forward and back, doesn't it, or is it stationary?
No, it's only the top part of it.
Oh, we'll move the top part out of the way. Open it up. Okay, there you go. Oh, the seat just came off. Holy smokes, Tim. Isn't this... Oh, man, don't do that. You'll break my light.
I think I just did. Yep.
Why did you do that? I got a feeling it's just not going to be fun. You know what? I just got this really weird sinking feeling that it
What?
is.
Really?
Not, yeah. I'm going to kick your ass when I turn that camera off so everybody can see. I can't see.
Well, you do it to me all the time.
Because I love you, Monchichi. See, I got you, didn't I? See, that's why I had you, Tim. I wanted someone that I would, be able to torture for the rest of his life. Okay, so there it is. So I guess if Travis Eby is watching, he will see how this is done somehow, I guess.
Have it off the side.
Huh?
Have it like.
What was that noise?
Oh, your chain.
Oh, chain there. Okay. Alright, so this has not been moved in many, many, many moons.
Years.
Moons.
Years.
That's right, years. Okay, so let's see if we find us a workbench of some sort. You gonna videotape this? Okay, so if anybody that's ever done this is watching and I'm doing it wrong, don't be an asshole. I've never done this before. I mean, this is old technology before my time. Now what I'm doing, hold on. Now this should come right out. Now both those roll pins lay down in the tray, so. Okay. Oh, good God already. You know, those rubbers are just insane. There you go. Here, let go. I can see what I'm doing. I don't know about you. Gently.
Probably gonna have to get bent back.
Well, we can do that. Or else have you do that. Don't pinch my fingers. Now there is a bushing kit that I should have bought, but I didn't see it when I bought these things. So we'll have to get a pneumatic bushing kit. Okay, so we got that done, right?
Yeah.
Now, this is going to suck big time because I got a feeling someone has welded something here that they shouldn't have. I don't know. It just seems like there's something that something should come apart other than the way that I'm doing this. But I do know that when this is all done, it's going to suck to put those roll pins back in. I'm telling you right now. It's just going to suck. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and drop these roll pins out. Okay, there goes that one. And did you put oil on that?
Yes.
Yeah. Probably one of those John Deere things that John Deere didn't think would go bad.
What? Yeah,
the little rubber bushings. I don't know. Because this is kind of silly how this comes apart. Okay. So now I've got those out. I'm thinking I'm doing this properly. Yeah, this is how these come off. Ain't that some shit right there? So what I'm going to do, well, they're going to suck to go back on, I can tell you that right now. Alright. So now, well, and of course, you got that creeping oil of some sort, right?